Hello, we're back. We're back before the market open. What is going on? Hello, everybody. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Let's see what's gonna happen. We still have almost 3 minutes until market opens, so I'm quite curious how this is gonna go down. So let's wait and see. Otherwise, well, my London short that I started here unfortunately took the stop, so nothing to do about that. So far there is a small fair value gap on the hourly chart, a little bit higher. We have a 1 minute order block starting at 847 on the old contract. The new contract, I don't know where is that, but I'm still on the old contract, so we'll see how it goes, I guess. We'll see how it goes. And if I go to the 15-minute chart, well, anything is possible. We have targets on the downside. We still have the 15-minute demand zone on the down there. Yeah. So we'll see. 2 minutes to go. And we don't have any major news events for now. And no information about any Trump speech happening. So I guess we'll see. One more minute to go. Are we going to see a drop? Who knows? Sweat liquidity on the 15-minute, I think, right now. So that's going to be interesting. And so far, that's all we have. All right. Market is about to open in 25 seconds. We have the zone. We have both of the levels here. Let's just see where it wants to go, and that's it. Five seconds, and here we go. Market opened up. So far, not much is happening. Bit of a move to the upside here. Let's see. As I said, there is a order block at 47.25, and the 1 hour fair value gap a little bit higher. I just don't know if it wants to get there or not. So I think we got there. And here's the 1 hour fair value gap right there. And there we go. We have it. Now the question remains, we talked about this level Friday, that we have some orders, or could be some orders resting somewhere around this area. I don't have anything to go with, unfortunately, but it's definitely an interesting area. This was right before when the war started to escalate. It's like 30 points up there, almost at 900. Seems like it might want to go. But I'm not sure if it wants to take it. It's 89. I don't know. We definitely repriced the hourly gap up there. Let's see. On the 1 minute, we created a bullish order block as well. So we might as well go down and revisit the level at 810, maybe lower. I'm gonna check on the CME report. Maybe we have some new numbers. No new numbers about the number of contracts. Victor, hello, welcome. Hey, good to see you. What's happening? Sorry, I forgot to check on the chat. All right, all is good now. So I'm still kind of wondering if we want to go up to that swing high, or if we shift to the downside, are we going to go all the way down to that zone? Still no information. This was not a clean shift so far. I kind of have the feeling that it might want to pop higher. Frexy, hello. Yeah, I was watching the volume, the June volume on the Friday report, and this report is from Friday. The number of contracts, obviously, the volume was much higher on Friday than on the September contract. We can see the shift happening, but I think today is still somewhat equal of both of these. Maybe I'm gonna switch to the new contract. I mean, there's no big deal in that. But I was just checking the CME website, so I obviously did. This is the Friday numbers, and today it's definitely a whole lot different. But I still think that the number today is somewhat equal, I think, on the both contracts. So latest time for tomorrow, I'm gonna switch to the new contract, that's for sure. Maybe today. Harshit, hello. $500 in 2 minutes. Jesus, man. You're on a winning streak. You are on a winning streak. Congratulations. Wow. Congratulations. That is how it's done. I'm happy. I'm happy for you, man. Just a second. Okay. Hold on, I'm checking something here. Okay, what is going on? Are we going for that swing high or not? Who knows, right? You're welcome, Prexy. Just pull up your platform volume for the contract. It will show you live roll. Oh, more volume on the September contract. All right. Okay, then I'm gonna go for the September contract then. So everybody will be happier. Just trolling. Of course we can do that. Let's go for the September contract. All right. Here you go. September contract. Here we are. Boom. And now we are on the September contract. Let me put in a zone here that I was looking for. Actually, there was a zone that I was looking right here. Now the opening of this is 59.50. Kind of curious how this is gonna go. Order block 59.50, and we have a swing high which happened just before the war. I would call that a possible buy side liquidity up there, but this is it. So this is the new contract. I guess it's better for everybody. And before I forget, I need to pull a 15-minute demand zone down here. Right there. Okay. So right now we went up into the order block. Obviously it doesn't matter. And buy side is at 100, I think. If it's not going to take it, it's fine. Two ticks away from... Ah, okay. Any thoughts for today? Well, I'm still looking that demand zone on the downside there. I'm just curious if it wants to take that swing high now. The swing high, which is 101 on the new contract, is basically just the level when the war started, and there could be some orders resting up on the old contract there. Open is 914.75. Let me just put the stuff here accordingly. And so if we're not going to sweep that level right there, it's okay. But then I would like to see price going back down into that zone, which is starting at 914. So I'm definitely looking for a possible short, but just curious if it wants to sweep that level. Yeah, it's better for everybody. For the community, that's why I'm doing it, you know. So are we going to sweep that level or not? That is the big question right now. What is going on? All right. We went through, like almost, right? It did go almost to that area. I mean, I was watching the old contract too, and yeah, the mini actually swept the high. So now would be the best idea to look for some short positions, maybe, if we get a proper shift to the downside. We created a small order block here, and let's look for some levels, obviously. Yeah, the push can be, you know, can continue. I'm not saying it won't. It can definitely happen. It can happen, but I'm still gonna look for a possible short here. For now, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, here we go. Something is happening. Okay, there's a possible shift here. I'm ready to take a short position on this one. If I have to. Yeah, why not? Bit of a tight position, but anyway. Almost ready to take that short. Yeah, exactly. Time to dump it. I'd like to see it go down, but almost there, and boom. Entered a market order short position. Nothing fancy. Oh no, and that's it. Oh my god. Oh, this was dirty. I just entered the trade and boom. That was it. Nice. Okay. Well, yeah, there need to be a push, I guess, higher than the 890s. So yeah, that's it. I got knocked out like crazy. I got totally knocked out in 1 second. In 1 millisecond, I got knocked out with a stop. I get a win. I entered the sell button and boom. I couldn't even show you guys. This is the account, by the way. It's a MyFundedFutures funded account. I'm down almost $200. Well, what can I do? Maybe I give one more shot, but now I'm just gonna wait. What was this? This was the macro? Was this the macro kick or something? I don't even know what was this. We didn't have news. The entry was technically okay. I was routing for this fair value gap, and obviously I had some good targets below, but now I'm just gonna wait. On the new contract and on the mini, on the old, that level at 888 has been swept, so that's why I thought we might go down. It's a nice trap. Exactly, the market makers, they were watching it. They were actually watching me. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Just one of those days. Curry Fishbowl, hey, welcome. Hey, what's up? Imagine doing that in Robinson Cup. Well, you know, one day, I mean, maybe it would be a good idea to go into the Robbins Cup. Who knows? Who knows? I think that's the new thing, right? We should all join the Robbins Cup. Oh man. Anyway. Nevertheless, today I have secured another payout because I made $493 on my Funded Futures network account. So I just withdrawn $1,316 Come on, yeah. Oh, I can't even speak. $1,316. So, yeah. Here's the proof. Great news. Withdrawal request of $1,316. And now on the way to pay out. This is my 5th payout from the same account, by the way. 5th payout. Same account. I don't know. I'm on a roll. This trade was definitely a crazy one. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. Thank you. New contract, nice. I gotta switch everything to the new contract. Usually I wait to do this like automatically, but I'm just gonna switch. Oh wow, look at this push. Okay. Okay. We gotta see the 1-hour chart. What's happening here? Still going higher. There is a Thursday high up there. Nothing that I like on the 1-hour. Nothing on the 15-minute. There is a level here at 45. I think we hit that level, right? Yeah, we did. So maybe it's too late, I don't know. And the top of that order block is 189 on the new contract. Okay. The leap by TradingView. What is the leap, by the way? I saw the pop-up on TradingView. I just don't know what it is. Is that their new thing? gotta be something new, right? 189. That's where we're going. Oh man. Okay, so that's the supply zone high. Order block. 5-minute bearish order block. I think it wants to break it. Up 400. 400 points. Enrico's, how did you do that, man? That is awesome. That is awesome. Congrats. Super duper great. Bit of a pullback here. YOLO long on Sunday. Well, you know, if it has an edge, just stick with it. If you think that you have an edge there, you definitely have to stick with that. Even if it's just 1 micro. Nikolai, hey. What was that prop firm that you wanted to try last Friday? Oh, what was that? I think, well, there's many prop firms. I'm gonna try maybe prop shop. Maybe I'm gonna try lucid trading. Trade day. Sorry, I definitely want to go into trade day because there's 3 funded accounts available now. So I'm gonna go with trade day, by the way, this week. I'm gonna get some accounts there as well because so far you could have only 1 account. Now you can have up to 3 funded accounts, which is awesome. So trade day is gonna be the one. Look at this. Are we going through the 189? It was 90% off. Ah. Awesome. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Well, I have a code at Trade Day. The Tom Sabo code should be working there. All capital, I think. But if not, then link to use it. Well, you just type in my code at the discount or the discount code section. It should be working, but I can get you a link if you hold on to a minute. I know I have a link somewhere. Just give me a moment. Just to make sure. Just a second here. Trade day. There you go. Just a second. There you go. Okay. Let me just post this link. This is my trade day link, and you can use the code TomSabo for the best available discount. Thank you so much for the support, by the way. I really, really appreciate it. I do. So for now, what do we have? Where's my link? Oh, it works. Okay. The code should be working, but I don't know. Hey, Natasha, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? I hope something good, some huge amount of money there. Thank you so much for the link, by the way, on that lithium. I checked it out, so I'm gonna read about it. Thank you so much. Do you think the Funded Futures network is worth buying now? It's definitely in a very good price. Basically, you pay $75 for a 50K account with no activation fee, but you get a free account as well. So you get a 50K account for $37.50 with no activation fee. I mean, I don't want to say, I mean, obviously there are bigger prop firms, but there's no other prop firm that is currently at this moment cheaper with including activation fees than Funded Futures network. So it's definitely, I just made my fifth withdrawal from the same account just before the stream or during the stream. 2 times 200 lots. Jesus. Are they reliable, good platform? Because, well, there is one negative thing that I don't like. I think there is a bit of a lag on the Rhythmic account. So if you're using market executions, I feel like there's a bit of a lag in the execution. With the limit orders, obviously there is no problem. But on the other hand, what I can tell you is that today, I just made my 5th withdrawal. Actually, let me show you the, I'm very proud of this account. I just made my 5th withdrawal from this account. So here you go. I'm eligible for a withdrawal of 1,316, which I just took out. Today I made 493. Now the good thing about the dashboard, and I'm on a winning streak on this one. As you can see, I'm how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 days in a row, just winning days. I'm winning 20 days in a row, and this is my withdrawal from today. I just got it like 24 minutes ago. $1,316. And this is it, $1,316. So, and here's the withdrawal. 1 withdrawal, 2, 3, 4. You don't see it because of the screen. But these are all withdrawals here from the account. So, no issues with them so far. 20K in one trade? Wow. Yeah, you're welcome, Frexy. Obviously, I'm trading with other prop firms as well. And I'm looking to get the other payout from the second payout from the same account at MyFundedFutures. My Take Profit Trader account, I'm ready to roll. Actually, I have to 881. Hold on a second. I'm gonna put in a trade here. I have to flip an account to get the funded account by tomorrow. Natasha, I don't know what you're doing there, but you are printing a lot of money. A lot. $1,000 today, Harshit. Come on, that is more than enough. You have to walk away. You know, that's the sign. You just have to walk away, man. For a day, that's more than enough. I'm still thinking of what to do here. I had a very bad trade on my MyFundedFutures account here. One of the MyFundedFutures account. I still don't know what to do with this. I feel like it wants to go higher. To the 80s. I'm just not sure. Because that's a 5-minute supply zone high as well. So, and we still have time from the silver bullet hour. Who knows what's gonna happen? Just bought 200 account. Hey, thank you so much, Newsly. Thank you for the support. Oh, you evals. Oh, well, that happens. Do I need to pay 120 per account? Which account? Which prop firm? Yeah, just demo trading, Harshit. Don't do anything crazy. Yeah, don't do anything crazy on your funded. MyFundedFutures. Currently, the starter account is back to. I think that the new deal on MyFundedFutures. By the way, because there's so many things going on, there's a new deal. There's a 5% discount on starter and expert accounts, I think, but check out with the code. I just received a new promo here. Let me show you. So get one for free. So you pass one evaluation account, you're gonna get a free evaluation account upon passing. New users still get 50% off at MyFundedFutures. You always get a standard 5% by hitting my code. I think the discount for the starter plus ended on the weekend. So right now, what you can do is get the 5% discount, passing an evaluation account, no activation fee, and you can get another evaluation account 30 days free, basically. Free evaluation account active for 30 days. So you have double the chance to get funded with MyFundedFutures right now. Miracle shorted, let's go. I entered to a long position. Oh man, not too good. I'm looking for that 5-minute supply zone high to be broken. Don't really like it, to be honest, but it is what it is. We still have time, so we'll see. Overfall after the uptrend. Yeah, it could happen super easily. We have some very good targets on the downside. That's true. Yeah, it's very close. It's very close. So I have my long position here. Watching it closely because this is most likely a scalping position, not really a so-called position trade that I like to take. Oh yeah, on the new contract, sorry. And I have to find the new contract. Oh, I just got, TP just got hit. TP hit. Nice. My TP was at 84. 84 anyway. These contract switches. Let me. And Q. U. Okay, here it is. So where's my trade setting? Visual trading, trades. Boom. There you go. So there was the trade. Visual trades. Size large. So bought here, and TP was here at 184.50. Let's see what happens. We still did not hit the high at 89.25. I guess we'll see. Oh man. Difficult day, by the way. I mean, not that super difficult, but it's definitely I mean, we had more simple days than this. I think it wants to pop that 89. But if it's not gonna do it, that's fine too. Okay, we popped it. No, almost. Still didn't go up there. I thought that it's going. I don't know what's up with the mini here. I'm gonna have to check it. It's at 192. I guess we'll have to see. Let's zoom into to that 89. What's it gonna do here in this area? What's the move? TP 914 Miracle says, you lost your fear of big lots? That's actually a good thing, because now if you see your target, you know what to do. You know what to do from now on. So far going sideways, maybe sweeping a little bit lower here. The lockout function is, by the way, one of the best. Yeah, at top step. Yeah, that's a very good solution there. It's Project X thing, right? Or is it there on every Project X, or only top step has this function? I don't know. So what's it gonna be, NQ? Just wondering here. Sideways action. We still have a bit of a time until the 5-minute candle closing. Okay, it popped higher. Now we took out that 5-minute supply zone high. So that's good. That is absolutely good. Okay. 250 might be the liquidity. Let's see what's up there. Yeah. Could be there's a swing high here. Not too perfect. I would call the next buy side liquidity at 231. I like the 252, but this is a not too perfect zone here. The only thing that we have here is, if we zoom in on the 15-minute, is that we have a structure shift here. So that makes it a oh, come on. That makes it a possible you know, supply zone on the 15-minute chart. But it's a weak one. So out of 10 points, I would give this zone maybe 4 or 5. So it's not like a super awesome zone because it only has this small little incy-wincy wick here that it's sweeping liquidity from. So that's like not a super A++ zone, but 231 would be the next level if it goes higher. And so far, NQ is officially unplugged again. Okay, and while we're watching this, while we are watching this, I must say that we have another possible, and this is, hold on. Yeah, we have two order blocks here. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna have this one here. I'm gonna have another one down here. Okay. Okay. This zone here in this area, it has been destroyed completely. So it's invalid. It's not valid anymore. It's done. So this zone is done. The next available zone at the downside is 101 and 032, 22,032 down there. The way I like this one is because it's just at the market open. So that's kind of significant because of the market open right there. And even lower, we have a 15-minute zone, but anyway. I'm watching for any kind of bearish shift, like not any kind of shift, but I'm gonna be looking for it. So far, nothing. I mean, if you zoom in, this is technically a short entry, a classic ICT short entry here. Boom. Very risky if you want to go with it. It's a risky one to take a short. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, to be honest. I mean, why not? Why not take it? 81. Man, it's just the point is, I mean, the thing is that it's narrowed down to a very small area here. Okay, I have to find where are my accounts? Okay, I took a small short position. Just to see how it goes. Entry is at 58.75. Maybe I should have taken a better one. Oh, and I took, okay, never mind. I took it on I took it on an old contract. So my entry is 21,958 on an old contract. I wasn't checking all that much. Anyway, let me put this here. Doesn't matter, it's just a small position. Here is it. Just a small position on the old contract. I forgot to switch to the new on this one. But anyway. Small one. Very risky. I think it's just going to push it higher to the 970s. I don't have high hopes. Yeah, it's just going up. It's just going up. Yeah, pretty much stop loss almost. There you go. I got stopped. Okay. At least I know. Let me switch to the new contract now. Oh, finally. Okay. So I'm just going to be careful. I tried it. It didn't go. This was not enough for a shift. I'm just going to wait. I lost $93 on a different account. This was an Apex funded account. It's okay. I don't care. It seems like we're going to that 231 area. Let's just wait. So far, no displacement to the downside. Absolutely no displacement to the downside here. Oh, yeah, definitely. NQ is doing it. NQ is having huge mind games right now. Do you keep on going even if you are blowing evals? Like, what keeps you going? How do you keep on going? Well, if I keep blowing up evaluation accounts, for example, like, depends on how many and which type of evaluation accounts. If I blow up like 2 evaluation accounts in a day, for example, with MyFundedFutures, that's not a good sign, right? Because that is a little bit more pricier than, for example, a Bulenox or an Apex account on a sale, right? So if I blow up like maybe not in one day, but in like, if I keep blowing them up in a shortage of time, like in 2 days or 3 days, or just like in a, I guess you're asking if you're just keep on blowing accounts and you're not getting to the funded stage. There's always the period of that, right? Everybody has the same period of keeping blowing. I mean, you just keep blowing up accounts and you just feel like you're lost and it's super hard to move on to the next stage. After a few days of losses, I would say, so if I'm just keep losing for 2 days, I don't want to have the same feeling throughout the whole week. So if I keep losing for 2 days, maybe on the 3rd day, I just, you know, sit back, and if I still want to watch the chart, there's 2 things you can walk away for a day from the chart. Try to learn maybe something, you know, watch some YouTube videos, which are some real good educational videos about trading. Read something about the trading mindset. Or maybe just do tape reading, right? Like, what is price doing right now? Where did it go? Okay, it did go down there. It's kind of like a forward testing. So if you keep blowing up accounts, evaluation accounts, maybe it's better to step back for a day or 2. You know, Harshit blew 20 accounts in 2 weeks. Apply the rule. There you go. There you go. But, you know, maybe everybody needs something to trigger this, you know, this thing that kicks in and like, okay, now I really need to do something differently, right? So I guess that's the kind of feeling when you got pushed to the wall, metaphorically speaking. You got pushed to the wall and there's nowhere else to go. There's one thing you can do. Obviously, you don't buy another evaluation account. You just sit down and try to learn, relearn maybe, or look back and just look back and ask yourself, what did you do wrong? I guess 99% of the time you were oversizing and revenge trading. Usually that's the problem. So that's what you need to control somehow. That's why, you know, reading something about this in trading, that can help a lot. Olisha, hey, welcome. Good to see you. You're profitable, yeah. Frexio, welcome, absolutely. Because I'm a high school student and my savings are, oh yeah, that is why. Yeah. So Frexi, you just said the main reason, and this is the main reason for a lot of people. Hello teacher FX, welcome. So Frexi, I would say you're in high school. Awesome. You have a limited cash amount, right, that you can spend on these evaluations. Less trades, please do less trades. On your next evaluation account, try to force yourself to do less trades and forget about the profits. I know you're in high school. I know life is super fast and everything is, you know, happening all around the place, but you don't need to focus on the profits right now. I told this on my Funded Futures TV as well. Get the smallest available size, which is 1 micro. Get your entry model. I don't know what is your entry model. You don't have to tell me. I'm just saying get your entry model. Go with the smallest available size and execute your trading entry, but only like 1 trade per session. Maximum 2 trades, and that's it. If you can do these 3 things, okay, so smallest size, I would say 2 or 3 trades a day throughout London and New York. Okay, that's it. And only take your A+ setups, what your entry model dictates. Forget about the profits, okay? Forget about it. Forget being funded, okay? Forget about it. I know it sounds stupid. Just do it for 2 weeks. You don't have to do it for 30 days, don't worry. Just do it for 2 weeks. And at the end of the day, when you finished up, even if you're in losses, look back and check it like, what did you do right? If your entry, if you had a stop loss, what was the problem? Because obviously not risk management, because you went in with the smallest position. What was the problem? Maybe you were reading the market. I mean, you were misreading the market is what I wanted to say. Okay. Something like that. Small steps. I know you might be saying, or some would say, oh, but it's gonna take such a long time. I don't have time for this. Blah blah blah. Oh yes, you have time for this. You must have time for this. Ron, I didn't catch anything today in New York. I was just scalping a little bit. On the MyFundedFutures account, I had a long scalp earlier. This account is the previous one that I took a payout. I made $337, but already had a payout from this. And the other MyFundedFutures account, I made $256. But the good news is today I secured another payout from Funded Futures Network. Where is it? Oh, here it is. For $1,316. Today I made $493 on this. But I'm okay with it. And I have $93 in loss on one of my Apex accounts. Absolutely, yeah, Frexy, that's what you should do. There you go. Harshit does it, yeah. You need to backtest. Yeah. By the way, Frexy, do some backtesting, not because it will be, I mean, you would be a better trader, but collect information about your entry model, okay? You need to be clear about your edge, okay? What is your edge? What is your profit target? What is your risk to reward ratio? What is your exact entry formation, candlestick formation, whatever that you're looking for? What is the time period that you're looking for entries? All these data, collect it throughout backtesting, and you will know next time. And next time, just enter with the smallest available position. 1 micro. Forget about the profits, as I said. Forget about it. Forget about being funded. Okay. 1 micro, and that's it. The man with the biggest... What? All right. Cocoons in the trading game. All right. I take that as a compliment. Thank you. Rickmore. Absolutely. Absolutely, Prexy. We are here to share some wisdom, some love, some knowledge, some positive vibes. That's why we're here. Man, I need to drink a coffee because I'm gonna be on my funded TV soon, and I'm almost like asleep here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a ventilator. Is that what it's called? In the back of the room, because it's so hot, and I have the window open. I don't want to use the AC right now. Mexican for... Ah! Okay, for bowls, alright. Backtest didn't help me. I backtested for the last 2 years. Yeah, the backtesting only helps you to collect information about your entries. You know. Hold on, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Just subscribe, hit the like. I'll be right back. I must do a coffee. All right. Is this the reversal? Maybe, but it's not it. This one is not it yet. So I need to see a stronger move to the downside before I even think about reversals. I need more. This is not enough for me to reversal. And we have that 231 up there. I'll be right back. Just a minute or two. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we're here. Trading is done. Nvidia starts sideways chop. Yeah, I was watching Nvidia, and so far, yeah, the sideways chop has started. That's true. No level on the 15. There, I mean, Nvidia could go down. Why not? Why not? Wow, look at that. Wow, I think we might be looking into some short moves here. But maybe it's only gonna happen later. Crypto is pumping. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is pumping. Let's go. Good thing I'm not in crypto. Let's see. Maybe I should. I don't know. Let's go. For everybody who's holding crypto, let's go. Hey Zoltan, what platform are you trading? I'm trading Quantower. Quantower. It's very easy to connect with Quantower, but I think you can connect with NinjaTrader too. So it's easy. You're up 4,100. Jeez. Hey, roll. Nice profile pic. Thank you. I put on my best suit, you know. Of course, it's just an AI picture, of course. But it was using a real picture. You know. Oh, same trade as ICT 930 was a little manipulating lag. Oh, on the old contract still, I think he's still on. Anyway, I'm still waiting for a possible shift here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Still waiting for a proper shift. I'm glad everybody is in the green. I mean, most of you guys, I hope. All right. I was just reading something. So, could this be the shift? Let's see. Could this be the shift? I'm not sure. Looking at the 5-minute. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. I kind of like that level down there still. This would start to waterfall down nicely. No, it's not happening yet. It's just not happening. Why is it not happening? Okay, so far so good. It feels like an energy storm in the out there today. Crazy energies. Whoa. Ah, the ether. Oh. Well, who knows? Maybe it's that time of the year. Maybe it's that time of the year. I don't know. Okay, what else do we have here? Still no shift. Still just waiting for the shift. To happen. Middle East vibes. Yeah, maybe. I mean, well, it's not Irish coffee. It's just a simple 3-in-1 coffee. Nothing special. So no spice or chaser in this one. Maverick, hello. Can you please zoom out a little? My charts seem to be showing different. Yeah, because you might be on the old contract. I switched to the new contract. So this is the 5-minute. I can zoom out here to the 5-minute. You might be on the old one. TradingView switched to the new contract, so I switched on Quant Hour 2 to the new contract. Drop NQ. Miracle wants it to drop. Well, there's no drop yet. Not yet. We open, yeah, so it's because it's the contract switch. Yeah. We're heading to the new contract. So on the 1 minute, I'm still watching for a sharp drop. I don't think it's gonna happen. I mean, if it's gonna happen, I'm gonna jump in, but maybe just with a very small, tiny position. All right, ladies and gents, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna take a short break, refresh and everything, and I'll be at MyFunded TV with some new topics and doing a recap of what happened. So thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow for London session as usual. Exactly, Natasha. It was a crazy day. So I'll be back on the usual schedule tomorrow in London, and in about 29 minutes I'll be at MyFundedTV. You can check in there as well. And thank you. Yeah, see you there, Natasha. And what I want to say is it was a great day so far. If you would like to support the channel, please use my code on most of these prop firms for resets, for new accounts. You know, there's some good deals going on with MyFundedFutures. If you buy one, you can, and if you pass an eval, you get a free evaluation account. So that's a good deal. But I'm going to update everything on my channel by tomorrow. Apex Bulenox still down. Take Profit Trader still has the no fee promo. The buy one get one for free at Funded Futures Network is still going on. Day traders have a sale, and so on. So thank you so much. See you, ladies and gents, on the flip side. If not, I'll be here tomorrow in London and New York. All right. God bless you, everyone. Cheers.